Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use testimonial slider shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of testimonial slider shortcode. Testimonial is the best way to showcase your existing client's word about your work quality, services and work. Testimonials blocks also build your great reputation by expressing the trust that other people have in you and your business offerings. If you have more numbers of testimonials and you want to accommodate those in less space, then testimonial slider is best to achieve it. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, column is automatically added. Click on plus icon and click on POFO tab. Click on testimonial slider element. You can see testimonial slider settings and pop up here. POFO provide 3 different testimonial slider styles. You can check its front-end look with image preview. Let me go with testimonial slider style 1. Pagination option. This is pagination area and previous next. This is navigation area. You can switch on off pagination and navigation. Pagination style. There are toe styles, dot style and line style. Pagination color style. There are toe styles, dark style and light style. Navigation style. Let me select next previous long arrow. Cursor color style. Let me select black cursor. Go to Slides tab. This is the area where you can add your testimonial slides. You can upload client image here. If you have uploaded bigger image, then you can use any thumbnail image version to optimize page speed using this option. Enter client name and designation. Enter testimonial content. You can clone this row using this clone row option, or you can add new slide using plus button. Let me clone this row. You can change image and content as per your need. Let me clone again and change its content. Let me create one more slide. So we have added 4 testimonial slides. Go to Slider Configuration tab. You can select transition style using this option. Let me select slide style as transition style. Transition speed. You can set slide speed time like 1000 means 1 second. You can switch one autoplay if you want your slider to autoplay when page loaded. You can set delay time. Let me add 3000 means 3 seconds. You can switch on loop. Typography tab. Here you can manage typography of client name and designation. Go to Extra tab. This is element ID. You can assign unique ID to your element, then extra class name. You can add CSS class name here and then write custom CSS for this row. You can add custom CSS code in Appearance Customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in Child Theme style file also. Let me save changes and preview it. Wow, you can see all 4 testimonials with slider here. You can use dotted pagination or next previous navigation here. Now let me select testimonial slider style 2, save changes and preview it. Now let me select testimonial slider style 3, this is different style where you can show more than one testimonial in one slide. Using Slider Configuration tab you can manage how many testimonials should visible in slider for different devices like desktop, mini desktop, tablet and in mobile. Save changes and preview it. You can see 2 slides in one page and you can see other slides using pagination or navigation options. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.